Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you are looking for a rich, delicious and moist chocolate cake, this is the recipe for you. It tastes good and looks nice as a dessert as well. You can decorate it with some fruit or cream if you like. I've been using this one for years and I love it. Not only is it super easy to whip together, it bakes up perfectly every time. So let's get started. Mix the flour with the cocoa powder, baking powder and salt. Then set it aside. In a large bowl, mix the 4 eggs, vanilla sugar and regular sugar, and whisk. Now for the filling chocolate, you will need butter, chocolate, some milk, Alright guys, so this is the roll cake. It looks so delicious and it tastes so tasty.